Hello students, welcome back to maths class. In this video we will see exercise 8.5 of class 6th. Its first question is find the sum in each of the following. Its A is 0.007 plus 8.5 plus 30.08. You can see all three values are the decimal values. For addition, we have to arrange them into the vertical order. It means first value, then second value, then third value. So let's begin. First value is 0.007. Second value is 8.5. Before putting 8.5, just put the 8.5's decimal. 8.5 decimal will come just below the first decimal. Okay. Now 8 will go on the ones place and 5 will go on 10th place. Okay. And last one is 30.08. So firstly we will put decimal 30, 0 on the ones place, 3 on the tens place. Here 0 go on the 10th place and 8 will go on the 100th place. You can see somewhere we don't have any values, like here, here, here we don't have any value. So we can put here at the end of the decimal value 0 by our side. Okay, because at the end of the decimal value we can ignore the 0. So let's add them. Okay, 7 plus 0 is 7. 8 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 5 is 5. Now you can see decimal, it means here what will come here? Decimal. Now 0 plus 8 plus 0 is 8 and 3 is as it is. So answer is 38.587. Its B is 15. In 15 we don't have any decimal value, so 15 will go like in this form. 5 is on the ones place, 1 is on the tens place. Okay. Now second value is 0.632. Okay. So here 0 on the ones place. Here 5 is on the ones place. It means 0 will go on the below the 5. Okay. Here. Now decimal will come and 632. In 15 we don't have any decimal value. It means after the decimal 0, 0, 0 will be there. Now the last value is 13.8. So 13, 3 will go below the ones, 1 will go below the tens. Then decimal, after decimal 8 will go on the 10th position. Now we can add them. Okay, you can see here after the 8, two values, that is 100th and 1000 are blank. So we can put here 0 by our side. So let's add that. 0 plus 2 plus 0 is 2. 0, 3, 0 is 3. 6 plus 8 is 14. Okay, 14, 4 at the downside, decimal as it is. This 4 is 14, so 1 will go on the carry. So 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9 and 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay. So this is the answer of second one. Answer 29.432. Now we will do C is 27.076. So 27.076 second value is 0.55. So firstly we will put decimal, just before decimal 0, and just after decimal 2 times 5, so 2 times 5 is here. Third value is 0.004. so after the decimal, same decimal will come, before decimal 0, and after decimal we have 2 zeros with 4. In the decimal side we have one place as a blank, so we can put this, we can fill this place with 0. Okay, now we can add them. Okay, 4 plus 0 plus 6 is 10, 0 at the downside, 1 on the carry. 7, 5 plus 7 is what? 5 plus 7 is 12, plus 1 13, 1 on the carry. 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, so 6. Now decimal, 7 plus 0 plus 0 is 7, and 2 as it is. So its answer is 27.630. Now we will do D. D first element is 25.65. Second is 9.005. so firstly we will put this point is here, then 9, then 0, 0, 5. Okay, now third is 3.7. now we can add them. Always remember to do the addition of decimal values. All the decimal will come one by one in the same sequence. Okay, now we can see here 1, 2, 3 places are blank, so we can fill them by 0 because they are blank at the end of the number. Okay, 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5, 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5, 7 plus 6 is 13, so 3 is here and 1 will go on the carry. Now what is here? Decimal line, so decimal will come in the answer. Now let's add them. 3 plus 9 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 17, plus 1 18, so 1 will go on the carry. 2 plus 1 is 3, so its answer is 38.355. Okay, now we will do E. Okay, E is 0.75, 0.75. Its second is 10.425, and the last value is 2, but 2 is don't having any value in the decimal. It means 2 is go on the ones place, and in the decimal we don't have any value, so decimal value will go as 0, 0, 0. So one place is also blank, so it will filled by 0. Now we will add them. Okay, so 0 plus 5 plus 0 is 5, 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, so 1 is here, 1 will go on the carry. Now decimal line, so it will fill by decimal. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 as it is. So its answer is 13.175. Now last of question number 1 is 280.69. Its second is 25.2, so 25.2, and the last is 38. You can see in the 30 head we don't have any value in the decimal, so 38 will go as it is on the places of ones and tens. After the decimal we don't have any values, so it will filled by 0. Here also after the 2 one place is blank, so it will also filled by 0. Now we can add them. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 9 is 9. 2 plus 6 is 8. Now decimal 9, so it will fill by decimal. Okay, so 8 plus 5 is 13. 3 is here, 1 will go on the carry. Okay, now 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 13, plus 1 is 14. 1 will go on the carry. 2 plus 1 is 3. So its answer is 343.89. So here we completed our question number 1 of exercise 8.5. Question number 2 is Rashid spent rupees 35.75 for maths book. So he purchased for the maths book for 35.75 rupees and rupees 32.60 for science book. So he bought science book in rupees 32.60. Find the total amount spent by Rashid. So we have to find how much total amount he spent on the book. So its solution, firstly he expend on the maths book. So expenditure for maths book. So maths book is bought in rupees 35.75 rupees and expenditure for science book. Science book was bought at rupees 32.60 rupees. So we have to find total amount. So for the total amount we will arrange both the values with the addition. Total means we have to add. So 35.75. okay, after the decimal will go 60. 32 will be here. Now we will add them. Okay, 5 plus 0 is 5. 7 plus 6 is 13. 3 here, 1 on the carry. Decimal as it is. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 2 8. 3 plus 3 is 6. So total expenditure is 68.35 rupees. Always remember, to at the end of the solution you have to put unit as question is given. Now question number 3 is Radhika's mother gave her rupees 10.50 and her father gave her rupees 15.80. So Radhika, named girl, is there. Her mother is given her 10.50 rupees and father is given her 15.80 rupees. Find the total amount given to Radhika by the parents. So we have to find all over the amount that mother and father is given to Radhika. So we will do its solution. Its solution is amount given by mother is 10.50 rupees and amount given by father is rupees 15.80 rupees. Okay, now we have to find total amount given by parents. So total amount, for the total amount we will add both the amount. So firstly mother is given 10.50 rupees and father is given 15.80 rupees. You can see after the decimal, same decimal is coming, so we can add them. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 8 is 13. So 3 is here, 1 on the carry. Okay, 5 plus 1 is 6, 1 plus 1 is 2, and decimal will come after the decimal. So total amount given to Radhika by the parents is 26.30 rupees. Okay, here is the unit of the solution. Now its question number 4 is, Nasreen bought 3 meter 20 centimeter, okay, cloth for shirt and 2 meter 5 centimeter cloth for her trouser. So Nasreen, named girl, is here. She purchased two kind of cloth. First kind of cloth for the shirt and purchased total length of the cloth is 3 meter 20 centimeter. And second kind of the cloth is purchased 2 meter 5 centimeter for trouser. Okay, find the total length of cloth bought by her. So we have to find out the total length together for the shirt and for the trouser. So you can see here we have the unit in the meter and centimeter, So firstly we will convert this unit in the decimal in the meter, okay, in the meter. So let's begin. Cloth for shirt, okay, cloth for shirt is 3 meter 20 centimeter, okay. So for doing this, you know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 centimeter is containing 1 by 100 meter. So we will convert this centimeter into meter. So it will divide by 100, okay. It means 3 meter will be same, 20 will divide by 100, okay. So it means 3 meter will be same. In the 100 we have 2 zeros. It means we will leave 2 values. First is 2, 0, second is 2, and after decimal will come with the ones place 0. Now we can add them because both the unit in the meter. So it will become 3.20 meter. Same we will do for the trouser. Cloth for trouser, she purchased 2 meter 5 centimeter. We have to convert this 5 centimeter into meter. It means 5 will divide by 100. So 2 meter plus 5 by 100. Okay. In the 100 we have 2 zeros. It means we have to leave 2 values from the right hand side. First value is 5. Second value will become 0. Okay. Now decimal will come with 0. Here we have 2 meter and this also converted into the meter. So it will become 2.05 meter. Now we converted both the units in the decimal, so we can add them because we have to find the total length of cloth bought by her. So total length is shirt cloth length plus trouser cloth length. Okay, shirt cloth length is 3.20 meter and trouser cloth length is 2.05 meter. In the rough you can add them, okay, or you can directly solve it. Here I am doing it with the pencil. 3.20 and 2.05. okay, 5 plus 0 is 5, 0 plus 2 is 2, decimal 3 plus 2 is 5. So total length of the cloth is 5.25, unit will be meter. So this is the solution of question number 4. Now question number 5 is Naresh walked 2 km 35 meter in the morning and 1 km 7 meter in the evening. How much distance did he walk in all? So Naresh is walking in the morning and evening, but length is given in the kilometer meter. So we have to convert firstly it into the decimal. Okay, so solution. Before starting the solution, we have kilometer and meter. So firstly we will see 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and in the meter how many kilometer? In 1 meter 1 by 1000 kilometer. Okay, so let's begin. Walking in morning. Okay, walking in morning is 2 kilometer 35 meter. So this 35 will change into kilometer. It means 35 will divide by 1000. Okay, 35 is having 1000 and 1000 is having 1, 2, 3 zeros. It means after leaving 3 values we have to put decimal. So first value is 5, second will be 3 and third will be 0. Now we can put here decimal. Now 0 will come on the ones place. Now it will change into kilometer. Now we can add that 2 kilometer and 0.035 kilometer. So it will become 2.035 kilometer. Okay, so this is the walking in morning. Same we will find for the evening. Okay, so walking in evening. Okay, in the evening he walked 1 kilometer and 7 meter. So 1 kilometer will be same, 7 will divide by 1000 and 1000 is having 3 zeros. It means we have to leave 3 values. First will be 7, second 0, third is 0, then we will put decimal. Now here 0. Now we will add them, so it will become 1.007 kilometer. Okay, in the last question is asking how much distance did he walk in all. So total walked distance is morning plus evening. Okay, morning plus evening. Okay, so morning distance is 2.035, evening distance is 1.007. What we have to do? We have to add them. So we will add them. 7 plus 5 is 12. 2 is here, 1 on the carry. 3 plus 1 is 4. 0 plus 0 is 0. Decimal. 2 plus 1 is 3. So its answer is 3.042 kilometer. Distance walked in all. This is the solution of the question. Question number 6 is Sunita travelled 15 km 268 meter by bus. So by the bus she travelled 15 km 268 meter. 7 km 7 meter by car and 5 meter by foot. So she travelled at the 3 ways. First way is bus, second way is car and third way is foot. Okay, in order to reach her school, where she is going? She is going her school. How far is her school from her residence? So we have to find the total distance school from residence. So given unit R is in the kilometer and meter, so we will convert this into decimal in form of kilometer. Okay, so in 1 kilometer 1000 meter is there. So in 1 meter how many kilometer? 1 by 1000 kilometer. So by bus 15 kilometer 268 meter, by car 7 kilometer 7 meter, and by foot 500 meter. So all the meter units is dividing by 1000. Okay, and kilometer unit is as it is. So 15 is here. Now 268 is dividing by 1000. 1000 is having 1 2 3 zeros. It means after leaving 3 values we will put decimal. First value 8, second value 2, third 6, third value is 2. Then we will put decimal with 0. Now we will add them and it will become 15.268 kilometer. Okay, now here 7 as it is. Here 7 is having 3 zeros of 1000. It means we have to leave 3 places. First value is 7, second is 0, third is 0. Now decimal will come with 0. Now we will add them. It will give us 7.007. Now the last is by foot. 500 is having 3 zeros of 1000. It means we have to leave 3 values. So it will come 0.005 meter. Okay, so now what we have to find? We have to find total distance from her school from her residence. So total distance. Okay, for the total distance we will add bus, okay, car plus foot distance. Okay, traveled distance. So by bus she traveled 15.268, by car she traveled 7.007, and by the foot she traveled 500 kilometer. Okay, all unit are in the kilometer. Okay, now in the rough you can add it, or by the vertical process you can also apply here. Okay, 15.268, 7.007, 500. Now 7 plus 8 is 15, 5 is here, 1 on the carry, 6 plus 1 is 7, 5 plus 2 is 7. Now decimal, 7 plus 5 is 12, 2 is here, 1 on the carry, 1 plus 1 is 2. So it will become 22.775 kilometer. It means the total distance for her school from residence is 22.775 kilometer. Same we will do for the last question of the exercise. Is question number 7. Ravi purchased 5 kilogram 400 gram of rice, 2 kilogram 20 gram sugar, and 10 kilogram 850 gram flour. Find the total weight of his purchases. So Ravi purchased 3 kind of things. First is rice, second is sugar, third is flour. We have to find the total weight of his total purchase. So you can see units are in kilogram and gram, kilogram and gram, kilogram and gram. So we will convert this into kilogram with decimal. So for that 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So in the 1 gram how many kilogram? In 1 gram total kilogram is 1 by 1000. So all the gram things will divide by 1000. So here 400 is dividing by 1000, 20 is dividing by 1000, and here 850 is dividing by 1000, because these 3 are in the gram. Okay, so 5 is here as it is here, 400 is having 1000 and 1000 is having 3 zeros. It means we have to leave 3 values, then we have to put decimal. Now we can add them. After adding them, we can find 5.400 kilogram. Same we will do here. 2 as it is. 20 is dividing by 1000. It means we have to leave 3 values. First value is 0, second value is 2, third value will become 0 with that decimal with 0. Now it will become 2.020 kilogram. Now floor 10 as it is. 850 is having 1000. It means we have to leave 3 values because 1000 is having 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 0, 5, 8, then decimal, then 0. Now we can add them. 10 plus 850 kilogram. In the question is asking find the total weight of his purchased. Okay, so his purchase will become what? His purchase will be total weight will be rice, sugar and flour weight. Okay, they all are containing weight, so after combining them I write here weight. So rice weight is 5.400, sugar weight is 2.020 and flour weight is 10.850. You can see all are having same unit, so we can easily add them. Okay, in the rough I am adding them. First value is 5.400, second value is 2.020 and the third value is 10.850. Now 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. Okay, 5 plus 2 is 7, 8 plus 4 is 12, 2 here, 1 on the carry, 2 plus 5 is 7, plus 1 8 and 1 here is decimal. So total weight is came as 18.270 kilogram. So total weight of his purchase is 18.270 kilogram. Here we completed our exercise. I hope you understood. Thank you.